Hello guys, today I'm gonna replace the positive crankcase ventilation valve. This valve here is on Toyota Tercel 95. It's PCV valve, they call it PCV valve, positive crankcase ventilation valve. Somebody told me if you replace it can prevent some to lose oil from the engine, because oil can from here go inside the manifold and burn out, and this prevents. If you replace this one, you can prevent losing oil from engine. Only this job is on Toyota Tercel 95 and it's the easy job. First, take off this clamp and then remove this plastic valve. Okay, then you have to take this off. It's not easy, but it was hard to replace this valve, and then I finally replaced the new one with old one, and I push it inside this hole, and then right now I'm connecting the hose to new one. Oh, it came off. Yeah, it came off. I put it back again and I push it inside the hole.
Engine?
I turn on the engine and engine works good.